We turn now to the Supreme Court and today's start of back-to-back oral arguments in landmark cases that could change the internet and social media as we know it. These cases mark the court's first ever review of a federal law designed to shield tech companies from lawsuits over user-generated content on their sites. NBC's senior legal correspondent Laura Jarrett joins us from Washington. Laura, good morning. This first case has to do with protections that tech companies get for what people post online. Tell us about it.
Savannah, good morning. Today's case was brought by the family of a young woman, Naomi Gonzalez, who was killed by ISIS members back in 2015. She was studying abroad in Paris. Her family is suing YouTube's parent company, Google, saying they should be on the hook and should have to pay for her death because ISIS has been posting hundreds of videos on YouTube about recruitment, using it as a recruitment tool, that YouTube knows about it and hasn't taken those videos down and is actually recommending other ISIS videos based on what users have watched in the past. Now, typically, as you said, tech companies can't be sued for what other people post online because of a law called Section 230. But here, the text of the case really is about the recommendation of the videos, not about the hosting of the videos. So expect a lot of questioning from the justices today about whether Section 230 should apply and all. And that's what has the tech companies so nervous about this case.
It has far-reaching potential implications, for example, if the tech companies were held liable. So how might that affect what we scroll through and what we see, what pops up on our feeds on social media?
Right. So the social media companies say they're forced to sort and prioritize through all sorts of content. And it's these algorithms that actually deliver the content that you want the most and help keep you on your favorite sites like Instagram. And they say if you can be sued for simply making recommendations, then it would have far-reaching really implications here, because they would be able to be sued for potentially anything. Amazon could be sued for causing eating disorders by recommending diet books. And so that's what you're going to hear from the tech companies today.
You know, a lot of times we read the tea leaves of past cases or what justices have said. Is there any indication on how this court, as it's currently constructed, might approach the case?
This one is really hard to predict, in part because this is the first time, as you mentioned, that the justices are actually looking at this issue. It's not the only case that the court will actually hear. Tomorrow they're going to hear another case about ISIS videos, that one involving Twitter. And so clearly the justices are interested in this issue of content moderation, but we're going to have to wait a little bit longer for the actual rulings in this case. Those are not expected until June, Savannah.
All right, Laura Jarrett at the court for us. Thank you, Laura.
Hey, thanks for watching. Don't miss the Today Show every weekday at 11 a.m. Eastern, 8 Pacific on our streaming channel, Today All Day. To watch, head to today.com/allday or click the link right here.